Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to add scripts to your main watchlist for trading. So once the settings are configured, you need to click contract once so that the main master contract will be downloaded from your provider to the local database. Either it can be Zebu or Alice. Once the contract download is done, just click portfolio. So you will get this screen. Here we have quite a few options that we can choose with. So what are the script types supported by Robo is MCX futures, NSE futures, Bank Nifty, Nifty monthly and weekly, NSE stocks, currency futures and stock options. So for this demo I will choose Bank Nifty weekly and then I will choose the strike of my interest. I will go with 36,000 CE. So once that is chosen, you need to choose what that trade type can be. So Robo supports 4 type of trade types. Either it can be open target and open SL, meaning both target and SL are open. So either you will square off manually or towards end of the day it will be squared off by the system, because Robo supports only MIS orders. Open target with fixed SL. So my target is open, but if my SL crosses beyond 2000, then I want to square off. Fixed target and fixed SL. Both my target and SL are fixed. I need 2000 as my target, 2000 as my stop loss. And fixed target and open SL. My target is fixed, but I don't want to fix my SL. So that is the fourth option. So I will choose fixed target with fixed SL for now. And this option is little advanced. So this is your target and SL for the given script, that is 36,000 CE Bank Nifty, which expires on 18th August. So in any given day you will have multiple buy and multiple sell. So every buy and sell individually are known as a trade. So you can also set for every given trade I want to take, let's say 30 points as my target or 40 points as my target and 40 points as my SL. Meaning if a buy and sell comes, my target will be 40 points and my stop loss will be 40 points. So technically speaking, 40 points will give you 1000 rupees, as well as 40 point SL will also give 1000 rupees SL. So if everything goes well, then probably in 2 trades you will achieve your 2000 target. If there's a reversal happens and the loss incurred, then the next trade could be positive. But nevertheless, in any given trade you want 40 points as your stop loss and 40 points as stop. It's like your bracket order on Robo. So when you put a bracket order, you will specify both your target and stop loss. This is same option, but it is within the Robo, not in the system. So general recommendation is you can leave this open so that Robo will take both buy and sell orders, and whenever it reaches 2000 it automatically squares off. You can specify the quantity. Let's say I want to go with 2 quantities and take signal after. So what is the time? What is the cutoff time you want to set for order to be executed? Let's say 9:30, meaning any signal comes between 9:15 to 9:30, Robo will not take. Anything comes beyond 9:30, it will be considered for trading. So final signal, let's say I don't want to take any fresh trades beyond 2:30, then I will specify 4:30 here, so 14:30 here. So what this means is it will still square off, but in case any new signals comes, it will not be considered for this. If you want this option to be open, you can put 15:30 or you can put any higher value as well. Okay, ignore per trade after. This is not enabled now, you can ignore it. So order type is MIS and take signal. Either you want buy, sell, or both need to be considered. When you say buy, it will take a buy signal. Whenever the sell comes, it will be squared off. If you say sell, it will take only sell signals. Whenever buy is coming, that will be squared off. We'll choose both. Once options are set, you can click add, and you can repeat the same thing for the next script. I will go with MCX futures, silver micro, August expiry. I want fixed SL and fixed stop loss. I want 250 as my target and 250 as my SL. For silver mic, every point gives you 1 rupee. So I need 250 as my target, 250 as my SL with 2 quantities, meaning if my buy and sell goes to 125 points to my favor, then my positions will be squared off. So signal taken after, so you can specify what the time for taking your signal. Some MCX movement generally will be very high towards evening, so I will say after 5 I want to take my signals, and the end time is going to be 23:55. I will add it. Once the desired scripts are added, you can click save. Okay, once everything looks fine, you can specify, you can verify what is your profit and what is an SL, script target and script SL. You can here, you can also verify the same in order book platform. Here you can see the same. So start time, everything, whatever you are given there, it will be displayed here for your verification. If everything looks fine, you can click start, and Robo will start taking signals, buy and sell signals, and place a trade for you. If you want to manually do buy and sell, you can click here, buy, sell or square off. Okay, in the next video we will tell how buy and sell signals will be generated using your MT4 platform, that Robo can recognize that and place order for you. Thank you.